What is a genetically modified organism? A genetically modified organism contains DNA that has been altered using genetic engineering. This includes organisms from animals to plants to bacteria. She's not genetically modified. This summer we will be modifying bacteria genetically, and the use of genetically modified organisms is super important in research. However, they're also important in the real world and in our everyday lives. Genetically modified crops are controversial, but they need to be put in the context of traditional methods of modifying crops. Corn, cattle, and even dogs have been selectively bred over generations to have certain desired traits. Within the last decades, however, modern advances in biotechnology have allowed scientists to modify the DNA of organisms and crops and animals more directly in a far quicker way, and actually gives less unwanted results than traditional methods, since we are able to target specific genes. Genetically modified crops often require less pesticides, are cheaper, and are more nutritious than non-genetically modified crops. They can also be resistant to infections that will otherwise kill entire harvests. Of course, care needs to be taken when using genetically modified organisms. This is why so many researchers are dedicating their career and work to this. Genetically modified organisms could bring many benefits in reducing food insecurity and providing new therapeutics, and they shouldn't be because they're unnatural. In iGEM, some teams here will be genetically modifying organisms to help solve real problems with their projects.